Volume. Volume is the amount of space enclosed by a space figure. Standard units are consistent and accurate. To find the volume of a space figure, count the number of cubic units needed to fill the space figure. So, pag sinabi nating volume, nakukuha ito doon sa ating 3D shapes. Sa 3D shapes natin, yung volume niyan o yung space natin sa loob ng 3D shape, yan yung tinatawag nating volume. So, ayan, yung nasa loob ng cylinder, cone, rectangular, prism. So, nakukuha natin yung volume sa ating mga 3D shapes. Sa unit naman ng volume, it is a cubic unit. So, cubic means 3. So, kung natatandaan natin, kapag kumukuha tayo ng area, that is square unit. So, yung square means 2. So, kung natatandaan nyo, meron tayong exponent na 2. Pero pag dating naman natin sa ating volume, so yung unit natin doon is a cubic unit. So, for example, m raised to 3, which is cubic meters. m3 is equal to cubic millimeters. So, ayan yung pagbasa natin, cubic millimeters. And then, the cm and raised to 3 is cubic centimeter. So, we also have the inches or the cubic inches. So, now let's have the example. So, this is 1 cubic centimeter box. Bakit nga ba siya naging 1 cubic centimeter box? Dahil yung ating 3D shape, we will measure the volume by the cubic unit. So, meron tayong formula na gagamitin dito, pero ang gagawin muna natin is yung manual muna. So, paano natin makukuha yung volume ng isang shapes? So this one is 1 cubic centimeter. So, dahil meron tayong 1 box. So next example natin is this figure. So, this is the 2 cubic unit. So, bakit siya 2 cubic unit? Dahil we have 1 and 2. Ayan, we have 2 box. So, ito yung 1. And then, this is the 2. Next example natin is the 4 cubic unit. Bakit kaya siya 4 cubic unit? 4 cubic unit siya dahil 1, kung bibilangin natin yung box, 2, 3, and 4. Ayan. So, the next example is the 21 cubic unit. So, bakit nga ba siya naging 21 cubic unit? So, ipapakita natin kung bakit siya naging 21 cubic unit. So, first is we have the box here. So, this is 1. Next is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, nandito na tayo. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Ma'am, 18 lang po yan. Paano po naging 21? So, kung nakikita nyo, meron dito sa ilalim. So, 18. So, eto yung blue na natatago sa ilalim. So, 19, 20, and 21. So, therefore, meron tayong 21 cubic meter. So, ganun lang po yung pagkuha natin ng ating volume. So, next naman natin is how are we going to draw if the given is the volume. So, draw the given volume. So, let's say I have here the 10 cubic meter. So, paano ko siya i-drawing? So, 1, this is 1 cubic meter, 2 cubic meter, 3 cubic meter, 4 cubic meter, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So, therefore, this is the 10 cubic meter. So another example is, I have here the shape and the length is 3 cm. Paano siya naging 3 cm? So dahil 1, 2, and 3, the width is 2 cm. So ito yung width natin. Ayan, 1 and 2. And then the height is, ayan, kung gaano siya kahaba. Height. So again, this is the length, and this is the width, and this is the height. So 3 cm dahil 1, 2, and 3. 2 cm dahil 1 and 2. And then 3 cm yung length dahil 1, 2, and 3. So let's proceed. So paano ba natin lalaman yung volume niya? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then the middle one, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And then the bottom one, it is 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So therefore, we have the 18 cubic centimeter. Next is, what if we cut off the bottom of the shape? So, if etong figure natin is 18 cubic centimeter, paano naman kung tatanggalin natin yung bottom? So, ayan, tinanggal natin. So, now, what are we going to do is to find what is the new volume of the shape. So, the length becomes 3 cm, the width is 2 cm, and the height becomes 2 cm. So, kanina 3 cm yung height. Ngayon, 2 cm na lang. So, to find the volume, so, bibilangin ulit natin siya. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then yung bottom natin is also 6. So, therefore, volume is 12 cubic centimeter. Now, let's proceed to cube. Ito na yung shape natin na cube. So, pag sinabi natin cube, para siyang square. So, pero, ang cube is a three-dimensional solid object bounded by 6 square faces or the sides with 3 meeting at each vertex. So, lahat yan ay square. Yung mga faces niya ay square. Ayan yung mga faces natin. And then, yung ating vertex, sabi, with 3 meeting at each vertex. So, asan ba yung vertex natin? So, eto yung vertex natin. So, tatlong line yung nag-meet sa kanya. So, this is the first one, the second one, and the third one. So, tatlo, diba? So, with 3 meeting at each vertex. Tapos, yung faces naman natin, eto. First faces. Yung second faces natin, eto. Second faces. Yung third faces natin, yung nasa taas, nasa likod. So, eto na yung pangatlo. Then, yung fourth face natin is itong nasa left. And yung ating fifth face is yung nasa taas. And the sixth face is yung nasa bottom. So, ayan. So, therefore, we have the 6 square faces in the cube and we have 3 meeting at each vertex. So, meron tayong 8 vertices sa ating cube. So, kung ang square equal side siya, ang cube equal sides din. So, lahat ng sides and edges niyan ay equal. So, paano ba natin makukuha yung volume ng ating cube? So, let's have an example. Pero this time, to get the volume of the cube, we are going to use the short method. So, eto na yung gagamit tayo ng formula ng in finding the volume of the cube. So, the formula is V represents the volume is equal to length times width times height. So, 3 na siya. Not unlike kapag naghahanap tayo ng perimeter area, we have the length and width lang. So, length times width. Pero kapag naghahanap naman tayo ng volume, 3 na tayo. 3 na. We have the length, width, and the height. So, para mas maintindihan natin, meron tayong example dito. So, to find the volume of the cube, we have the 3 cm length. So, yung length natin, ayan. Yung width natin is also 3 cm. Saan ba natin nakuha yung 3 cm? So, meron tayong 1, 2, and 3. And then, the height is also 3 cm. Bakit po kaya siya pare-pareho? So, katulad nga po nung sinabi ko, ang cube po, ang length, width, and all sides po niya ay pare-pareho or equal po siya. So, therefore, the length, width, and height is 3 cm. So, paano natin makukuha yung ating volume? So, ang gagawin lang natin is we will multiply the length times width times height. So, therefore, 3 cm times 3 cm times 3 cm is equal to, so kung nahihirapan tayo mag-solve ng 3 agad, so pwede nating isolve muna yung 2, which is 3 cm times 3 cm is equal to 9 cm square. And then, we will multiply it to the 3 cm and then it becomes to 27 cubic centimeter. So again, tatandaan natin, 3 na po yung ating exponent. So, ang sagot po natin ay 27 cubic centimeter. So, next is the rectangular prism. So, yung rectangular prism natin ay a solid object which has 6 faces that are rectangles. It has the same cross-section along the length which make it a prism. So, ayan yung rectangle natin. So, yung rectangle natin, so, puro rectangle yan. So, yung faces natin, puro rectangle. So, paano ba natin masosolve yung volume ng rectangular prism? So, ang tawag dito is rectangular prism. So, masosolve natin yung volume niya using the formula ng length times width times height then. So, let's have an example. Find the volume of rectangular prism. So, this is the rectangular prism. So, the length is 4 cm, the width is 2 cm, and the height is 3 cm. So, to find the volume, we will multiply the length times width times height. So, therefore, 4 cm times 2 cm is equal to 8 square centimeter. Then, we will multiply it to 3 cm. Then, 8 times 3 is equal to 24. Then, it is now a cubic centimeter. So, paano naman natin siya masosolve using the pagbibilang ng ating cubic? So, ang gagawin lang natin is, ayan. So, i-divide natin yung rectangular into 4 cm. So, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, and the width is 2. So, dapat dalawa to. So, 1 and 2. Then, the height is 3. So, 1, 2, and 3. So, okay na siya. The next is, we're going to divide it. So, meron tayo dito. And then, the other one is here. So, ang gagawin na natin is bibilangin na lang natin siya. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. So, yung volume natin ay 24 cubic centimeter. So, ganun lang po yung pagsasolve ng ating volume for cube and rectangular prism.